Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to download and install Private Internet Access, or PIA VPN, on your Mac. It's a really easy process, so let's get started. First things first, you need to open your web browser and head over to the Private Internet Access website. I'll leave a link to this website in the description of this video, or in the pinned comment, where you can often find the best deals. Once you're there, click on Get PIA VPN. Now, you'll need to choose a plan that works best for you. They offer a 1-month plan, a 6-month plan, and a 2-year plan. Currently, the 2-year plan is usually the best value. After you choose your plan and sign up, you'll receive your login details via email. Keep those handy, you'll need them soon. Okay, now that you've chosen your plan, let's download the PIA VPN software. Hover over the Download VPN option at the very top of the website, and then select Mac VPN. From here, go ahead and click on Download PIA for Mac OS. You'll be prompted to choose a location to save the installer. I'm just going to choose my desktop for now. Now that the installer is downloaded, double-click on it. This will extract the installer from the archive. Once that's done, open up the extracted installer. You'll likely get a prompt asking if you want to open an application downloaded from the internet. Go ahead and click Open. Next, you'll be asked to enter your Mac password. So type that in and click on Install Helper. Once Private Internet Access VPN is installed, it should pop up automatically, looking something like this. All we need to do now is click on Login. Here, you'll want to enter the login details that you received when you selected your plan earlier. Once you've signed in, you'll be taken to the main page, which looks like this. Using the VPN is super simple. You can either click on the big button to connect to the nearest VPN server, or you can select specific VPN servers by clicking the button below. You can then browse through a list of countries. I'm going to scroll down to the United States and connect to the Baltimore server. Once I've chosen it, I'll click on the power button. After a few seconds, it will connect. To show you that this is working, I'll go to whatsemyep.com and refresh the page. As you can see, it now thinks I'm located in Baltimore, United States, just like the server I selected. Now I can browse the internet as if I'm actually in that country. If you want to customize the homepage of the VPN, click on the drop-down menu here. You'll see a list of available widgets. Just pin a widget to the homepage, and it will appear there. If you want to access your VPN server settings, click on the 3 dots in the top right corner. Here, you can adjust general settings, protocols, and much more. And finally, if you want to disconnect from the VPN server, just click on the power button again. After a few seconds, you'll be disconnected. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe for more Fix Zone tutorials. Thanks for watching.